Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So the other day, someone asked me, what did Tony and I do in our cleaning business with unconverted paid leads? Well, first of all, for a second, I had to think about it because we really didn't, we didn't have paid leads in the sense that you might buy from a lead generation company. And I guess being unconverted, they didn't turn into customers. I had to kind of explain that we thought of it much more personally. We thought of it as this small list, a few hundred companies of buildings that we personally identified them, personally called, knew personally who the person in charge was, got their name. We talked to that lady or gentleman. We visited. We sent information to them. We'd stop back out. We would call. We got to know those buildings, those people personally, tried to earn the chance to bid on them and try to win the job. So that I understood. It was just a little unusual to hear about unconverted paid leads. My only point is that words make a difference. And I like it. I think it helps a little bit when you make it more personal versus not personal that way. For example, the other day I heard what you need to do is start a remote cleaning business. That's where the big money is. Start a remote cleaning business. Well, I can't even imagine how that works. Maybe it does. It certainly wasn't the way we did it. It may not be the way you're doing it either. I mean, we grew within an hour and a half of where we lived, adding building after building after building that we cleaned mostly at night. 3 days a week, 5 days a week. We knew every place. We knew every customer contact. We knew all the employees that cleaned there, and we tried to make them very delighted, the employees happy. It was, again, all very personal. It wasn't starting a remote cleaning business. So, words make a difference, right? Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.